Ty, the fabulous gentleman at Shock the Fox that gave me this top, asked the other day, yesterday actually, if I had enough left over for a fretboard. And I thought, I don't know, maybe if we don't use the center line as a center line, but there's enough there, let's go ahead. But then I gotta wonder, if we did that, would we stain it? Well, of course we'd stain it, but if we did, would we stain it the same as the top? And if we did, would that look goofy? I really don't know. So we got some stuff to think about. Oh my God. What a gorgeous piece of wood. Alright, I just looked with the actual body to make sure everything lines up, and it pretty much does, but just to be on the safe side, we will redraw it one time with a nice dark line. I'm fairly terrified to cut this, but that's what it's for. It's got to happen. Incidentally, we have from the edge of that about 2 3/4 at the widest point, which gives us enough material for a fretboard if we wanted to do that. 22.5 inch long, 17.5 inch wide, full story told. And we're going to save as much of that stuff as humanly possible. I don't know what we're going to do with it, but besides a little insert head plate thingy, but we're doing something with every single fiber of that stuff. Guaranteed. So, I think we could go ahead and cut this out. We could get it mounted today if we do our control cavity first, and then shit, we could, find sand and stain the damn thing if we wanted. But first, we draw. Shaky camera. Actually, center seam, center seam, center seam, center seam. I need a good sharp pencil. It's not that bad. In case you're wondering, there was no purpose to this. I just most of that heel area we don't really need, I don't think. I've started to wonder about that in the last few hours since I've never done a set neck, but I suspect we will set, way into here, so I figure most of that probably goes away. Just not going to obsess over it too much right at the moment. I know, it's a reoccurring theme with me, but I am terrified to cut this. I'm going to cut off as much as humanly possible on this side, so we have material for a fretboard if we want to do that, which is a distinct possibility. Then we're going to cut this guy out and save as much material as humanly possible in the process, and then decide if I'm going to worry about doing a control cavity before the top goes on or not. I think just about any control we get, a 1/4 inch should be more than thick enough to support, but I don't know, we'll see. So Okay, now, how do we attack this? And I would like to do the control cavity before we mount the top, but it's not essential. What we do need to do is route channel for pickups, and I don't know what those pickups are going to be. I don't know. We're just going to route it like we would have two pickups and, you know, hope for the best. So, I clamped this in place just roughly where I think I'm going to want the end of the fretboard to end, so I can measure where the bridge is going to be, which comes out to be in the neighborhood of here. So I think, damn it, I think we're safe like this. You know, if this wound up shifting back some and our cable channel is here, you know, we can squirrel wire around one way or another. So I feel like this is a safe bet. So I may regret that later, but but that's what we got for now. So that's what we're doing. So I believe we're gonna go from about here into there. I'm expecting the end of the fretboard to probably be in the neighborhood of like here-ish. Just inside this a little. So, even if we had a slanted pup, which I don't see happening, yeah, probably like from here through would be hopefully a good guess. I think that's what we're going to go with. That's not exactly where that's going to get placed, but it's got to be close. So, well, let's knock it out. It's about a 1/4 inch deep. That should be plenty. I'm fairly confident. Double wide for double cables. Okay. About as centered as you could possibly get. I want to just go ahead and do it. It looks like everything cinches down pretty good. Alright. Should be dry run number 2, but nothing wrong with dry runs. More the merrier. I'm a little nervous about this, but Might have got a little too much. Kind of hard to gauge a big surface like that. Surface. Now, that was definitely too much. It looks nice and clean everywhere. I think we did good. Thanks for joining me. If you like what we're doing, if you're digging it, like and subscribe. Catch you next time.